This is a short Idency video showing you how to upgrade the firmware on an Anviz FaceDeep 5.2 in debug mode. First, you need to short 3 wires before you power on the machine. Those wires are the DS, DM and GND. The GND is next to the NC. Short those 3 wires and then power on the device. Have your USB stick connected with the firmware on it, and it will show you that your USB disk is connected. Then firmware, you press number 2, and then firmware is listed, press number 1 to select it. It will say start update. Once completed, it tells you the update is successful. Now power off the device, take out the wires shorting them, and then power it back on, and it should start up normally.